Hi Aubrey, I'm posting this video because I have nothing else to do and it is 4:55 a.m. Eastern Time and I'm just letting you know that your videos take really long because you talk like really slow, but my friend back here, he really likes them. What'd you say they were?
Pimpedelic.
Alright, well, he says they're Pimpedelic videos, and, I think your videos are quite cool. So...
We live in the dirty Jersey.
Yeah, we live Jersey Shore area, kind of, and we really have nothing to do, and it's 5 in the morning, so we appreciate it.
Besides play Wii.
Yeah, just make a video about, like, Wendy's families eating burgers and fries with a fork and knife, or maybe if you think that's weird, or you have nothing to do, or the 5 things, the 5 facts, you don't like sharing your milk. Like, what is up with that? Like, I would give you my milk if you needed milk. Like, I'm not...
Doesn't like to share milk.
Yeah, you like to share milk. What if it was out for 3 minutes and 59 seconds? Would you drink it? That's not 4 minutes.
She said more than 4 minutes. You schmuck. Stop
Well,
analyzing everything.
I'm just going back. And 51 things around your house. I couldn't even find that many things around my house. Besides my 2 sneakers and what I'm wearing, that's like 10, maybe. So...
You're fat, so you got a lot of
This
fat
video is taking a really long time because I'm talking slow like you, but your videos are really cool. So, if you could just keep them going. And we're going to make a video about Guitar Hero and show you later. So, goodbye.